message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At this time, a global emergency is taking place. At approximately 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the birthday virus is expected to take over the next 4 hours. The President or his representative will speak on all stations shortly. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At this time, a global emergency is taking place. At approximately 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the birthday virus is expected to take over the next 4 hours. The President or his representative will speak on all stations shortly. Please stand by. My fellow Americans, this is the representative of the President speaking to you all for the final time. This is an emergency action application number 3. Red card, this is not a test. I say once again, this is not a test. It is very important to pay attention now that this is pertaining to an ongoing global state of emergency. The desserts have now reset to maximum level. The desserts have now used all this powerful attacks that will never come to the world. It is believed that these attacks have hit these countries of Mexico, Canada, Japan, the United Kingdom, Australia, and of course the United States. We have forced the military power as well as our allies have tried to fight the murder guns, have tried to fight the desert spirits too powerful. They used a lot of powerful attacks on all of our worker drones. We've also tried many attempts like sending the crayfish from Minecraft to kill them, but that didn't work. It's claimed they were killed instantly. I'm afraid to say this, but all attempts have failed, and there is no way to stop the desserts route. The desserts have now used all of its powerful levels as war continues to fall apart. Ladies and gentlemen, I hate to say this, but in the world, there is no reason to remain calm. Go into panic mode. All residents in the United States and the rest of the world are now urged together with their loved ones and their final moments here. Pray your God or gods if you have prayer religion and repent. Thank you for your existence, planet. Thank you for your existence, planet. It has been a great planet for $1 19 billion years. And now it's soon to be away, so I'm now going to conclude this final broadcast with one half playing our national anthem. After that, our television radio station will shut down.